Video, I'm going to go over this ladder stabilizer. Now I got this in and it came in this box right here. It was all not assembled. I assembled it and put it together. Let me show you real quick what you have to do. So you really just put this thing together with this bar in the middle and then run these two pieces down right here, right there, and then run these U-bolts through, put your tool tray on, and there's a little hook right here that you're going to put on it, and you are good to go. One of the main purposes of this thing is to guard your gutters when you're putting the ladder up on the kind of the side of the house. You don't hit the gutters, and it also stabilizes it with a farther out bar. Let me take it over here to the side of my house, put this thing up, and I'll show you how well this thing works. Okay, I just went ahead and put the ladder stabilizer up there. Here you can see how it's bypassing the gutter right there. I have a tool tray right here that I could put paintbrushes, screwdrivers, drills, anything like that. I could hang a tool from there, and it's got these little rubber feet right here that hold it into place. Yeah, I don't see any issues with this ladder stabilizer at all. I think this is a great item for anyone that just needs to add some stability to a ladder like I do right here. This works out great. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the ladder, stabilizer. See you on the next video.